Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna coming with the newly arrived and beautiful collections in the dyed embroidery wear. So guys, in this video, these kind of beautiful concepts, either it will be this many of the particular state region of India, that kind of concepts, mixed varieties of India, I'm gonna showcasing in this video. So guys, please watch the video from start to till the end. So guys, this kind of educational or one of the useful videos you will not be subscribed, so that's gonna be sad. So please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button to get the regular notifications and updates of our video. So guys, let me start one of the first collection. See, in these kind of variety, beautiful concepts, either it will be the fabric of some of the Vichitra or some of the shimmer blooming, that kind of the concepts of fabrics you will be get in these kind of embroidery collections. Guys, see, in these kind of very beautiful stones, extraordinary designs you will be getting here only. I'm not going to open fully because many of the samples are under there, which they are already open. Upcoming with all the samples I'm going to showcasing you. See, in these kind of very beautiful fabric and concepts which are highly preferable in the Rajasthan or many of the northern regional states of India. In these kind of very beautifully embroidered done, and some these kind of very beautiful threading tassels also you will be getting here only. Next one, if you are let these kind of open one of the concepts. See, very beautiful concepts in these kind of very beautiful variety, in this kind of threading work also, cut border concepts in the cotton threading work also you will be get. See, talking about the fabric you will be get in this kind of very beautiful glittering net fabric you will be get. See, if the camera gonna be zoom, then you can see many of the beautiful collections in this video. See, 6 to 7 different color shades in each of our variety you will be get. See, in these kind of very beautiful blouse system or also you will be get with the golden jaried work also. See, last and not I'm gonna say last, but some of the unique item of the ranges at the ranges of 228 or 230, that kind of ranges you will be getting here only. Talking about the guys, fabric will be the beautiful excellence work you will be get. And let me remind you guys, if you are starting your new businesses or already you have established your businesses in any of the abroad countries, then also most welcome. And 20 to 30,000 these kind of investment of starting ranges will be there to join us. And many of your queries will be there that why will you choose a simple, all the beautiful 20 to 25 different ladies wear category you will be get at under one roof, which you name it, Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, see, in these kind of very beautiful concepts you will be get 6.30 meter length also you will be get. Apart from these kind of very beautiful concepts upon the net work, some beautiful stone work also you will be getting here only. See, next item, fully bordered work. Apart from the length, you will be get 6 to 7 different color shades in each particular designs also. Guys, many of the varieties I'm gonna showcase in this video. Any of your concepts you will be like, please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. They will give you n number of varieties. All the regional bases, concepts and tastes you will be get at under one roof, which you name it, Kesaria Textile Company. So guys, please let me know in our comments section. Please give your precious reviews, opinions, reviews or feedbacks. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का